Guys, you knew this was gonna happen. The Asus Gundam collab that you guys have been blowing me up about all over social media. Of course, your boy finally got it in hand. We've got a PC, you guys. All Gundam glory. I have been waiting all my life for this day. I'm ready to unbox. You guys ready?
Yes.
Let's do this. And I don't know if you guys peeped, but your boy is dressed for the occasion. Got my RX-78 shirt over here, and I got the LeBrons that somehow match perfectly. So I'm ready, baby. Now, for those of you who don't know, Asus went ahead and collaborated with Gundam on a ton of different PC components. You guys see, we've got enough for a massive tech unboxing over here, but these are all based on the OG Gundam, the RX-78 II. I'm super pumped to get into this because I've got some really big plans for all of this, but I'm super excited. I want to see what they all look like in my hands. So let's get to unboxing. Oh, no way. Oh, come on now. All right, this case is massive, but oh my God, guys, look at the front of this thing. Oh, that is glorious. Gee, look at the details. So we got the little face covering for the actual Gundam head. Yeah, you see that? But look at this for the CPU socket. We got the Gundam head right there. That is sick. Right there on the back. Let's go, baby. All right, so we got our fans, and then you can see the Earth Federation symbol right up front with the 3 colors for Gundam. Ooh, guys, it's a freaking Gundam head. Are you kidding me? Oh, this is gonna be crazy.
That's how this looks cool.
You're not wrong, Carl. And then like the surprising part is a 3080 graphics card with Gundam, baby. Ooh, would you look at that. Listen, I don't like building PCs, but I think I'll like this one. And check out this monitor, you guys. Can we appreciate the details going on in the back for a second? And I love like the white look on everything. This is, come on. This thing is too clean. Now, fun fact, this part is actually like the waist area of the Gundam. There's too many boxes to keep, but my God, it's gonna hurt to throw out these boxes. Okay, and we got the mouse that hits the theme too. And we got a mouse pad to go with it, with the big guy's face. Oh, USB-C, oh my goodness. Look at, guys, look at this headset, man. Oh, and they're comfortable, come on. So we got a boom mic over here, and if I wanna switch it out for some breathable ear cushions, I could swap these leather ones out. We got the headset stand to go with it. Now, I actually use one of these over there on my desk, but I never had it in Gundam before. Now, you know they went all out when they even made a router to go with it. Maybe this is what I've been missing for all these years. A Gundam router to fix all my Wi-Fi problems here. Oh, missed opportunity. They could have done something like a V-fin. Like, you know, the Gundam V-fin? But this is dope though. All right, guys, here we have it. Tons and tons of Gundam PC components and accessories. So we've got the whole setup here. Now it's time to, I guess, build a PC and then do a little something special with my Gundam area over here. This is where I usually build my Gundam model kits. You guys know I go hard for that. But let's build this PC first. All right, so finally, the building part is over. Not my favorite part. I know a lot of people love the building process. Not this guy. Even if it's Gundam PC parts, I don't enjoy putting them together. I rather do my model kits. But anyway, I digress. Let's do the first power on, Jay. You ready? So we got a nice little power button over here. We got the Earth Federation symbol. Oh, hold on. The power supply. The power supply. I was about to say it, Jay. What did we do? Ooh, we see a little bit of those lights already. But all right, let's power it on. Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's see if something pops up on our screen. Oh, hold on. Ooh, look at this keyboard though. I love that the BIOS even has Gundam over here, right here in the corner. Oh. And look at another fine detail, guys. Look at the cooler. The Gundam eyes are glowing. This is just amazing. Now let's get Windows on this thing. And all right, you guys, so we got Windows installed. We have everything essentially set up. So it's just, you know, time to really configure this area to make it Gundam Gunpla ready. I have a lot of thoughts in mind, but first, before we get into like the final look of this area, let's kind of talk about all the different accessories, right? So we of course have the PC. This case or chassis is massive. I think it's the biggest PC case that we have in the entire studio, right? Or everywhere. Yeah. But I will say it gave us a lot of space for things like cable management and making sure everything was neat. Even a novice like your boy over here managed to do a decent job. You know, the cables aren't all over the place. And look at the back. The back is really clean too. They have a nice area here where it hides the cables. It's my first time working with a large PC chassis like this. And I like having that real estate to do some cable management stuff. It was a little confusing at first, but I managed and I think it came out pretty well. And I gotta give a huge shout out to my friends over at Main Gear because your boy had some questions during the building process and they were there to help out. Obviously those guys are knowledgeable, so it made sense, but I wouldn't be here without them, or at least it would have taken me much longer without them. And the components obviously all have Gundam all over it. The RX-78 is all over. We've of course got the graphics card with some RGB. Of course, Gundam splattered all over it. We've got the cooler with the Gundam head. I got one of my kits inside of here. He used to be up there, but I'm not mad at it. This is a good spot for him. But that's one of the benefits of having like a huge case like this. You can just throw it in and it's fine. It doesn't impact anything. And of course, you know, there's other accessories here as well. Down to the mouse pad, the mouse, the keyboard over here. This is actually a really nice keyboard. And check this out. So we've got the blue light with the red light flashing, and we also got the yellow. Sticks with the theme. I didn't install anything special for that. It came pre-installed, so that's a nice touch. I mean, even the monitor is dope. Obviously, it all sticks with the theme. But in the back here, I don't know if you guys probably can't really see it, but I'll turn it around. This thing is, you know, RGB'd out as well. The logo has RGB lights in it. You can't really see it because it's facing like, you know, the wall, but it fits with the theme very well. I actually really like this gradient look. Jay, this thing is sick, boy. It's another one of those, the back of the monitor looks so good, but you'll never see it. It's unfortunate. And of course, we've got the, let's see, can we turn this thing on? Bam. Ooh, Jay. You like that. So we've got our gaming headset over here. This is a really, really nice touch. I didn't know that these lit up like this. Yeah. And of course, we got the stand here, which is also a Qi wireless charger. So if I want to throw my phone down on it, you see it can charge my phone at the same time. And we got the router sitting here in the back, looking all Gundam-like. And it's Wi-Fi 6 enabled, so of course, you know, you'll get some really good speeds if your internet can provide it. But yeah, this is a cool setup. And this is like the perfect place for it. So here's what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna get here together. I'm gonna clean out all of these Gunpla boxes. It's crazy, because this is like a fraction of what I have all over the place. The studio has at least like 5-6 times this much.
Are those all built?
Some of them are built, Jay.
Oh.
Some of them may never see the light of day, but I'll try. But we'll get here sorted out because I don't want this to just be a PC area. We've got like how many computers all over? We don't need just another one. We're gonna make this somewhat functional so that it can continue being my Gundam building area as well as like, you know, have my Gundam PC here. So, oh, and wait, take a look at this, guys. This thing looks absolutely amazing. I'm not the biggest fan of like stickers or stuff like that. This feels like a, you know, like a giant Gundam sticker. I didn't think I'd like this, but I feel like it's so well done, especially since the lights are like just beaming through it. It looks very, very clean. Now, let's make this place work, make it functional, and completely change the layout. All right, guys, so my setup is complete. Now, just to the naked eye, one might think, Judd, what the heck is this? It's a mess. But for someone who loves to build Gunpla or Gundams, this looks like a beauty. You've got your space to do your building. You've got all your runners lined up, and you even have your PC here. So if I want to watch something or maybe even, I don't know, look up something online while I'm building, I have the ability to do that. So this desk has everything I could ask for as an avid Gundam lover. It's about time we had a Gundam themed setup. Like the two things I love, tech, Gundams, and finally, it all came together, you guys. This is it. I can quit YouTube now. My career's done. I've peaked. But all jokes aside, I do love it because I do have the space, like I said, to, you know, build my Gundams. I have my runners here. I don't really recommend this runner holder, even though you might be interested in if you build Gundams. It doesn't stay this neat, trust me. It gives me a lot of space to do all the building that I need to do. I have all my tools here. And when I'm done, or if I just want to go on the computer, I can just pull out my keyboard. I got my mouse over here. I can do what I need to do. It's just an awesome setup. I even found this really, really nice Gundam Live wallpaper on Wallpaper Engine on Steam. Backpack has the smoke coming out of it, sun rays going. It's just a beautiful vibe, you guys. And one thing I will say, this is actually a really nice screen. When I set this thing up and I had it all hooked up, I was playing some Apex, and this screen is dope. It can be overclocked to 175 hertz, I believe. I didn't expect much because it's like a smaller screen, but it's actually really, really clean. And of course, you know, your boy had to bust out the Oppo Gundam phone over here. If you guys are interested in any of the accessories or the pieces here, I'll have links down below in the description. Again, huge shout out to Asus for sending this stuff over. It's like a dream come true, not gonna lie. But till the next video, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, be the cool guy or girl that gives this video a thumbs up. This setup will change. I'm gonna improve it even more, but we'll save that for maybe the full man cave update. But till the next video, guys, it's your average consumer. Peace.